So hey, I was just having this thought while I was driving around, and I made it a point to drive out to do some exploring, which I did do and I did enjoy. But I made a comment about bailing when I didn't feel comfortable, and so I was wondering, like, does that make me, is that like a pussy move to make? You come out there for a purpose, and you end up leaving because you don't feel comfortable. But where do you draw the line at putting your vehicle at risk, not only yourself, and a big financial setback? I'm no mechanic, so it's not like oh, the axle went out, or something snapped. It's not like I can just get home, shop it, pull the tire, pull the necessary parts, do the work. I don't really know how to do that. So I don't really know how to do that. I'm not really a shop guy. I don't really have a lot of tools either. I have very small amount of tools, so it's like, why risk it financially? Why risk it health? For safety reasons. If something broke suddenly on the truck, and if the truck went off the side, well, that's a really long drop to get down there. And if a car sees you, great. If not, you're stuck. So you got, I don't know if you got hurt. Both your legs are injured, and you have to try to crawl on your belly up a steep slope to get to the road to flag down a car. I'd rather just turn around and go back down. There's going to be, and not to mention, there's going to be other days and other times. So, it's not like it all has to be done in one day. I might try to find an off-roading, maybe a buddy just to come with me, just in case I get stuck, or even actually having someone follow me in their vehicle would actually be cool too. That way, oh, stuck, no problem, tow rope, bop, pull you out, continue on. Oh, a vehicle broke down. Well, we can just push it on the side of the trail if we can, and we hop in one car, go back down, or try to tow it down or something. I don't know what kind of options are, but something. At least you'll have backup, opposed to being out there by yourself and trying to do everything on your own. So, food for thought. So I hope you guys are being safe out there when you're doing this. It's not, I don't think it's worth risking, injury or mechanical failure just for some things. So, I don't know, what do you think? Just kind of share your thoughts. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.